A KwaZulu-Natal police constable has been pulled from active duty following allegations of political involvement with former President Jacob Zuma's Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Provincial Police spokesperson Colonel Robert Nchwenda confirmed that the officer stationed at Ntambanana police station under the King Cetshwayo district was allegedly seen wearing MK Party regalia and participating in activities linked to the party. Nchwenda said the Provincial Commissioner of KwaZulu-Natal, Lieutenant General Ndlela Mkhwanazi, has instructed that the constable be immediately withdrawn from all operations pending a thorough investigation. He stressed that the police officers are required to remain neutral and apolitical, warning that any political affiliation could tarnish the credibility of the South African Police Service. According to Section 46 of the South African Police Service Act, number 68 of 1995, police officers are strictly prohibited from publicly supporting, associating with, or displaying insignia of any political party. The law further bars them from holding office in political organizations or advancing party political interest in any way. Adding to the political allegations, Nchwenda revealed that the constable is also facing scrutiny over claims that he owns a private security company offering VIP protection services, an activity explicitly forbidden for SAPS members, and that no police officer is permitted to participate in the security, alcohol, or taxi industries. Community members are encouraged to report officers who involve themselves in politics or engage in questionable business dealings that undermine the integrity of the SAPS. The investigation into the constable's alleged misconduct is ongoing. That's a take on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.